Power moves only, we don't post for free. Tapped in deep, whole squad with me. Mob don't sleep, we just raid and eat. Respect ain't talk, it's how we lead. Power moves only, I don't play to please, I play to win, and the code agrees. No middle hands, no empty trends. MOBFI rise, we don't just pretend. Started on the feed, ghost in the crowd. Scrolling through noise, but I think out loud. Tapped my first job, thought this kinda clean. Then I watched a tweet turn to green on screen. Didn't need luck, I needed a lane. Didn't need hype, I needed a chain. Power not borrowed, it's earned, not bought. Every move coded in the lessons I caught. I paid that Rias, be it I level silence. No shortcuts, just memes and defiance. Now I'm at the top of the jobs list daily. Mobs in sync and the timeline's wavy. Power moves only, we don't post.
Happy Thursday. Millie, how you doing, bro? Good to see you, man.
Doing amazing, living, just glad to live another day,
Yep.
see y'all beautiful faces.
Even in this crazy market, Millie, it's crazy, man. It's crazy. We're going to go over it. It's kind of wild. It's kind of wild, man. But, we do this crypto fear and greed. But let me get to the map. Let me just see if everybody's checking in. There we go. Got the West Coast coming in. Let me get my app and let me check in myself. Let's see here. But yeah, welcome everybody. The world is not ended.
Welcome. You're living.
You are alive.
You're breathing.
But yeah, it's crazy, man. I don't know. All the good news. We had all kinds of stuff that was supposed to happen this week. It happened, and nothing. We go down lower. I don't get it. We go lower. Shouldn't be lower. What's up, Hot Cash? How you doing, man?
Hey.
What you doing? It's Millie. How you doing?
What's up, man?
How we doing?
Doing great.
Yep, we just hanging out, checking out the map.
Beautiful. I gotta check in.
Yeah, everybody checked in, man.
Get it. Let me go get it.
Let's see. I'll get into the chat too. A-Train's World. What's up, fellas? Just grinding away. Right on, A-Train. Good to see you, man. Thanks for joining us. Right. Appreciate you, bro. Oh, he was in 30 minutes countdown. You the man, bro. That's right. Give it a little extra boost to the algorithm. That's what I'm saying. It is. Might as well camp out there. We're going to be here. But thanks, bro. Good to see you. My crypto adventures. Happy Sparking Mobtastic or MobFi-tastic Thursday. Yes. Web3 Wise Guys fan. Thank you, my crypto adventures. Hey, I'm ahead of the game. My crypto adventures. We're going to be battling the mob. Got to get the treasury. Got to build the treasury. Mob, and then we'll come back 30 minutes. Well, we got to get out there.
We doing 100 million job yet? When's the 100 million job?
100 million. Is that what you said?
When you cracked 5, weren't you going to go give 100 million?
No, that was never said. I don't know. That's misinformation.
Since my name is Millie, I need 100 million. I need a.
I'm trying to manifest this, Ray. I'm trying to make it work.
Was that your big announcement? You had a big announcement today. Maybe that's it.
And no, this week I got many curveballs happened. So we're gonna kick off November the right way. So we're gonna
right on. Happy Thursday, Jason 5449. Look at them drinks stacked up, bro. Thank you. There he is, the man, the myth, the legend, Apex. Yo, good to see you, bro. Thanks for joining us. Yeah.
Besides, Howcash doesn't have hundreds of millies. We got tens of millies. Hundreds of millies. You broke the 500 mark though.
It was all priced in. Oh, it wasn't? Is that what you're saying? It was what was it? What they say? Buy the news, sell the what is it? Buy the rumor, sell the news. That's right. And that's what happened. It looks like it, right?
Yeah.
It's kind of crazy. I think you're frozen, Millie. I think you're frozen. I love it. You might have to hop off and come back, bro. All good. But I'm just letting you know. It's an action star. I love it. But hey, Wise Guys. Good to see you, Night Owl. Thank you. Thanks for hanging out, Snoopy at Apex. Appreciate y'all. And Cheryl. Hello, everyone. It is Thursday. Yes, Cheryl. Thank you. Good to see you. Need an unexpected catalyst. Yes. You know what we need? We need the government to get back open. Don't you think, Tim? Yeah. There he is. What's up, Millie?
Yeah, it's my internet.
That's their way of kicking it down the road.
That's the government. They mess with my internet right now.
Yeah. Yep.
That too.
It is. We need market movement this way for some weeks or longer. Oh, do you? Which way? Is that to the right? I don't know. He wants negative, or is that negative? You need more negative? Is that what you said? Because we haven't had too much positive, bro. We've been kind of going sideways for about 4.5 years. Yeah. What's up, boys? Thirsty Thursday.
Time to load up.
It is time to load up. I get it. But I want to see the spring loaded. I want to see some spring loaded excitement. That's what I want to see. I don't care what everybody says.
Right. Yeah.
LOL. Happy Thirsty Thursday. Yes, Comfy. Good to see you, my man.
Green.
Yes, I'm green. I thought bro was he was starting the freeze challenge. He was all it's all good, Millie.
Hey, I didn't do it. It was the government. It was not me.
It's the government. It's the government shutdown. It's the government shutdown, Millie. That's right.
Ray, did you ever watch Police Squad?
Yes. They're shutting me down right now.
Ray, did you ever watch Police Squad?
I have not.
It was the old time cop show, but the slapstick guy from Naked Gun. Remember that?
Oh yeah.
And so when they had the TV show, Leslie Nielsen.
Leslie Nelson.
Yeah, that's him, Nelson.
Yeah.
Did you ever watch the TV show version of that? I think they had 1 or 2, 3 seasons.
Wasn't the Mod Squad or something like that?
No, Mod Squad was different. That was like action, whatever. But the Police Squad was the same slapstick, like Naked Gun type things, but it was a TV show, 20-minute TV show, whatever. Yeah. But at the end of it, you were saying the freeze frame thing. At the end, they would, the scene would end, and they were like, "Oh, we caught the bad guys," and they'd all stop and freeze. But like somebody would walk through the background, like it was supposed to be, the end scene where everybody stops.
Yeah,
but it was still going, and so that was always the thing, is the, like you're saying, freeze challenge, and that's how they would end the show frozen, but it wasn't. It was still going on. So like they'd be pouring coffee, and they were like, "See you next week," and then the coffee would start spilling over and all this stuff because they're holding the frame.
There you go, funny. Mona. Happy Thursday. Thank you, Mona. But what do you think? What do you guys think? Fear and greed. We definitely are in I bet you extreme fear. Yes.
Oh yeah. What is that?
What do you think?
29.
Fear.
29.
Fear.
What do you think, Millie?
Yeah.
In the 20s?
Throw a number out.
I'm gonna say. I'll say low 30s.
Low 30s. Okay. 20. Look at you.
31.
Look at you.
31.
29.
I didn't even look at mine yet.
Dang.
And I'm usually not even good at this one.
It is, and we're just in fear. It's all right. So last week we were in extreme fear. So we must be doing great. Must be awesome. Thank you though, Crypto Buffy B. Good guess. Close, Crypto Buffy B. I need a bigger jobs, Ray. I've been helping build your treasury. Don't be holding back. I know you see me. I do, Ed, and you are. You're crushing it, bro. And all the friends, right? Everybody's connecting. All the friends getting the bonuses. It's beautiful stuff. But thank you, King Edward. Appreciate it, brother. Hi guys. Happy Thursday, everyone. You too, Robin. Appreciate you. Thanks for joining us. But yeah, we gotta get into it. You got some stuff too, Tim, or no?
I do. Well, I'm just gonna show off my fear and greed just to even things out a little bit. But it's in the same condition that yours is, so to speak.
Yeah, kind
of. It is.
Oh,
mine's always high. It's only Bitcoin, and there it is.
Oh,
68.
68
usually runs higher. This one runs only on Bitcoin. Yours is fear and greed on the entire marketplace, which is always wildly swinging around. But here, this one, even so, is at a 68 with holding Bitcoin at 106 price. And as you can see down here, that April 9th, it was 62. So we don't want to go back down to these levels. But
oh wow,
it's it hasn't broken. Remember, I keep trying to sell this little bull flag going. It doesn't look like it's breaking down. If we break down below this, whatever that multiple is, if you've got 54 here and then 62 and then 68, we don't want to go back down there because it's going to wreck the flag.
It will.
We want this to springboard back up and through here to show us the real bull. That's what we're waiting for.
That's a massive flag too.
Something, it's got to break.
It's got to break
in the right way for us.
Well, I got things that might. That's what they're talking. They're talking about maybe Bitcoin down to 80, 88, 88, 85. Ooh. Yeah, I know.
That hurts. That's too far.
Going back to 88?
Yeah, baby.
Don't even say that. Don't say those words.
I got the story. We're going to talk about it. All good. Yes. No worries, though. Right?
No worries. I'll just
I'm worrying.
since we're showing it off there it is. There's the
There you
red.
go. Red day.
The month, the week, the
Oh.
day, the hour looks all right.
Yeah, the hour.
Year not so bad, but
yeah, look at it. Just look at that. So yeah, what is that?
those big ones
Zcash.
disappear.
I wish I would have gotten that earlier. I'm
Yeah.
in it now, but yeah.
But that's for the year, right?
Yep.
You know, when they say what is that? When in doubt, zoom out.
Zoom out. Yes.
But here it is on market cap. So all the big boys playing around in the red today.
Yep. Tough day out there.
I will leave that for you. I got no I went and found some clips, Ray. So when you get into it, I got some funny interjections there for
okay. Well, it is. I had to break it up a little humor too, man, because it's rough out there, right?
Yeah.
And we're gonna start out. We're gonna start out with some funny humor. But yes, like you were just showing, I mean, it is. It's you know what's really got me? It doesn't make any sense. All this great news and Chainlink, man. Chainlink's it's the worst, bro. It's just ridiculous. And like I said, I like Chainlink. But
yeah,
right. You got some, Millie?
Well, they were at the meeting in Washington.
Oh
last
no,
week,
just
right?
like
Everybody was all hyped about it.
Go ahead, bro. Millie.
Yeah, you hyped and you buying, you getting you're stacking up on those coins before the event, and it just tumbles. So it's like, that's just like a blow to the chest,
It is, but there's been so much good news. I mean, there's so much happening with Chainlink. It's just wild, but it's all good. It's all good. But this is for you, Apex. It says, "Sir, it's time for you to do your own dishes again because you can't afford me, right?" But this is literally it's all over. It's all everybody's talking about, right? And this is usually the money one, right? Talking about the dollar, but this is just talking about where we're at. Yeah, a little rough out there, like I said. But look, we're somewhere at anger, I think, right here. And then they said that it's going to start looking like this: depression, deeper depression, just train wrecks. Yeah, more and more and more.
Oh,
all good. Yeah, but we'll see. What's up, Sal?
What's up?
How you doing?
How we doing?
Rough day out there. Sal. Rough day out today. But yes, Rector, ultimate Rector annihilation, Cretaceous Paleogene extinction event. Yeah, so it's just everybody out there making jokes because it's kind of it doesn't make any sense, and that's what I'm saying. I got these stories. I'm going to come back to her because this is really that's what I'm saying. We got the rate cut, yeah. We got the QT ending, quantitative tightening, yeah, because they said it's going to happen December. They're going to start, quantitative easing. So the tightening is over.
No, that's the quarter ending. Quarter ended.
No, the one here is QT, quantitative tightening, right? Where they were like I said, he's just starting to do with the 0.25%. That's literally what it means. QT.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So China trade deal. Yep, that's starting to happen. They had a good meeting. Yeah. Then you got crypto ETFs. All they're just Solana came out this whole week, right?
Yep.
Institutional adoption, which just keeps happening, right? Mm-hmm. Crypto is collateral. You see these stories all the time. Gold and stocks. The gold kind of pulled back a little bit, but everything's at all-time high. I mean, look at Nvidia. Some of them stocks are still crushing it, right? I mean, some of them pulled back a little bit today, but and then global liquidity. It's exploding all over the world, right? And yet we're just bleeding, right? We're bleeding over here. What do y'all have any opinions of why? What is? I mean, I don't know. I'm just saying.
I think it's getting all the weekends out, before the pump.
Yeah, you think it's just more manipulation?
You know what
I mean?
Yeah, I keep hearing about November.
Yeah.
I think market manipulation. I think they're trying to finesse. So get as much coins they can get. They want to build as much as they can.
What's that?
Whenever you hear, how people are like, October and all that crap. Yeah. You always go the opposite from what you hear.
Yeah, sometimes.
But
October has been a stalwart. Right? It's been a stalwart. Yeah, no, but no, I guess you're right. But yeah, I mean, I think too is this government shutdown. I think that we're going to get into that too. It's starting to get serious, right? I mean, really, it's starting to hurt the economy. You see flights are starting to be delayed. I mean, all this gets real, right? It's been 30 days. Now we got the snap. All people. I mean, this is like I said, we're going to get in those stories because this is about to get it's about to get serious, right? Just saying. But this is I'll mute myself. You got this is. I think this is some people today, but this is funny. She's losing it.
What?
But this is funny.
내가 나갈게요. 누가 내년에 자냐고 진짜. 지금 이게 불장이 끝난 거면 우리 4년 동안 또 손가락만 쭉쭉 빨면서 4년을 기다려야 되는데 4년 뒤면 내 나이가 35이야. 지금 애들 빠지는데 웃고 있는 사람들은 허인으로서 진짜 부끄러운 줄 아십시오.
But some,
you should be ashamed of yourselves.
You should, because you start playing some of this out there. She lost $4,500. That's a nice chunk of change. But just like that, red candles, and yes, that's tough out there. I don't know. But
I think, Ray, the only thing I could say is people have to realize there's two sides to every trade, and you can start betting down if you really want.
You can. Yeah, but that's
nobody wants to bet to lose, but if that's what's happening, you gotta be ready for that kind of thing.
You do. I just like I don't play with those right now. But yes, you're right. You could if you know how to do that stuff, you definitely could. But like I said, this is what people are putting out there, right? I mean, I don't always just give you like rosy stuff, but people are starting to say it broke that 107, 106 mark, Bitcoin. And the next support line is 88, right? It's right around there. And and that's what some of the analytics firms, they're warning that it could reclaim if it pops back up there, right? And we do see that sometimes, right? Where it just, it bounces and it gets back up there, but it slipped that support line, and we shall see. We are in that situation. Long-term holders have distributed around 104,000 Bitcoin this month. It's the heaviest selling since July. So all these things you can see. That's why I love crypto, blockchain. You can see this, right? It's all out there, except for the OTC. You got people in the background, right, doing some, doing their thing, and you don't see that. Been many times and bought a few new. I bet, bro. I bet because it sucks getting liquidated. GM.
I was just last week.
Oh yeah, last week.
Yeah, I mean, but I don't put a lot in when I do it anymore.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm a huge I'm so guilty of leverage trading when I shouldn't be.
Yeah.
Because I don't put stop losses in, and then I'll get sidetracked and I forget. And yeah. Yeah.
Well, hey, good for you though, Ellie Stallion. I mean, you're in there playing it, but if you don't do that and protect yourself, it sucks because you never know. Right, you sleeping, right. You can't stay up all night, right? But yes,
I have many times.
Right, I get you.
Hey Ray, I got to follow up to your clip here. Watch this one.
Okay. They're selling, Mortimer. Well, that's ridiculous.
What is this guy? Should I take it? It's I don't know, what is he? One of our FOMO head. Our FOMO head is calling. Does he want to get on or something? Anyways.
There's plenty of room.
There's plenty of room. Come on in, FOMO. You want to hang out. But that's what Glassnode is, warns. If there's a price continues to falter, a tumble all the way back down to 88. And it's the next, significant support level. But look, like I said, I think the big thing is this kind of stuff right here, right? This shutdown is getting serious, like we were just kind of talking about. And it's almost at 30 days. And now we're getting into November, and they're going to start talking about SNAP benefits, things like this. People need that, bro. It's kind of crazy, that stuff. I get it. I mean, I also know that people also need to be cleaned off the rolls and things like that too. But there's also people that absolutely live off of that, right? Even literally like veterans, a lot of times they get that stuff. So just saying, that is it's going to get real. And that's what I'm saying. I brought up another story because This is what I mean by getting serious, right? This is Pete Hegseth. He's the Department of War, they call it now, right? Not Department of War. So all 50 states, they're calling up the National Guard, and there will be 23,500.
I mean, there's a new Dow.
A new Dow. It is a new Dow, Department of War. It is. But that's, I'm just telling you, that stuff gets hairy, everybody. People, when you go hungry, it changes things. That's what I'm saying. And it's not funny, but they have this thing. It's going to be called a quick reaction force. I actually did some of this QRF stuff, but it was in another country, right? And they get it gets serious, right? Because again, when people are hungry, they do desperate things. Yeah, and that's what we were doing in Bosnia, right? Because I've seen it. I've seen 30-year-old men taking advantage of a lady with a potato cart, right? And we had to go and you fix that stuff up, right? We zip tied them, cleaned them up real quick. So, but it gets serious, man.
Are you saying I got to go get toilet paper now?
Yes, remember that was during the pandemic, right?
COVID, yeah. It was like, what's left? There's no toilet paper. There's no toilet paper anywhere.
I won't get into it, but that is it's very important.
It's important, but the industrial strength stuff, the commercial grade was still there.
Yes,
it didn't get that bad. I could still get the 50,000 sheet rolls if it was an emergency.
It is. But the main thing,
not like that, you had napkins. I mean, there's other things you could use, instead of I mean, I don't know. I thought it was weird.
Well, it is, but like I said, when people been without, I'm just telling you, it is a thing. But anyways, I won't get too much into it. But that's like I said, this is where I get it. It is getting serious, right? Because when they start deploying those guys, it gets a little hairy, and sometimes they get a little aggressive. And people are also, like I said, they're just trying to get some things at the store. Like even I've been hearing, like my Walmart, right? They're going to start posting up police at all of them, right? Because people are already saying, "Look, I'm not running out of food." So, anyways, I think this is all undercurrent. It's just out there, and it's not just here in the U.S., right? There's all kinds of stuff going over overseas, the U.K., Ireland, right? All these things. So we'll see. But this is always usually how things get kind of transition to new systems, right? I don't know. Maybe this is what we're looking at, right? Because they do this. I've been hearing too. This is what banks, they kind of they've been lending out a lot of money, and now that's an issue, right? So we'll see. Anyways, we'll get back to not the doom and gloom, but I do think this absolutely has some teeth here. Yeah, but let's see. MG3. What really changed the market day? My $1 million question. Yeah. What changed the market? Yeah. Well, that's what we're exactly talking about. And it had nothing to do with we had all this good news, but I think it's like I said, it's starting to be this MG3. But here's what happened amid U.S. government shutdown. They did lawmakers work to pass market structure. So they passed some bills, but they still haven't passed that. I know they're getting closer. They got three Democrats to agree now. Yes, to open up the government. But they need I think
3 more.
3 more. Thank you, Sal. Yes, 3 more.
To open up, reopen?
Yeah, to open, yes. They need 3 more, yes, to reopen. Yep.
Oh.
And it gets everything. That's what I'm saying. It's air traffic controllers, is like I said, already people working without getting paid. Right. I know there was a wealthy billionaire or whatever helped start paying with the military. So they've been paid, right? But that stuff runs out quickly. Right? We got a few million people in the military. That stuff goes. Good evening, Floor. Yeah. Good evening. And it says 82 men. I must have gotten yes, October 30th. Yeah, it's all good. All good, A-Train. But anyways, that's that Standard Charter sees $2 trillion in tokenized RWAs by 2028. That's right up your alley, Halcash. Yeah.
Yep.
I think they're going to start. That starts really going to start getting going. Yeah. And this Cointelegraph, that trustless structure of decentralized finance, is poised to challenge the dominance of TradFi. Well, I hope so. But I also know they're getting their little grubby hands all up in here, right? That's what we laugh at, Sal, when she's talking about. They're all doing it. I mean, that's kind of why we got this kind of bullish news as well. Yeah. But we expect exponential growth in RWAs the coming years. Yeah. So what is the big one is here is private credit. That's what they're talking about. RW is the biggest one. Is starting to be is private credit, institutional alternative funds, private equity, treasury debt, U.S. government debt. These two right there. I mean, that's stable coins all day. That's going to be what they're doing to back their stables. January what? Crypto Buffy B? That's when he's going to be bullish. Just a few battling in mob. What's going on? My crypto ventures.
There's people in there.
Oh,
we got 13 people in there. We could use some more, yes, but yes. More friends of mine. Hurry up in there.
There you go.
I'm going to throw one slide over the top. You've seen it here before, Ray, but look, you remember that when yes. Bitcoin was 1 trillion, but real estate, you say 2 trillion coming in by 2028. That now I've seen that says 330 trillion in real estate, bonds and money, and they're talking about those being real world assets as well. But there's 330. I've seen 400, over 400 now in real estate market. So this slide's a little bit old, but it says total global asset 900 trillion. So 2 trillion in real world assets is really nothing.
Oh yeah.
In the grand scheme of things, 2 trillion of real world assets is it's a
that's FUD.
Yeah.
That's FUD. But I mean, it's more about the technology, I would say, right?
But the technology is great, and the fact that that'll be there, because then that won't, it'll bring more stability to the marketplace, right? So your fear and greed shouldn't swing as crazy.
Yeah.
That's why when we look at my fear and greed, it's just Bitcoin. Of course, it still moves up and down, but it looks a whole lot more stable and doesn't swing as wildly as your whole market fear and greed. If you start real world assets and everything like that, those things are not going to fluctuate the way speculative tokens do. So bring a lot of stability to the market. It's going to be nice for people to look at and say, it's still there. Right. My real estate investment trust is now tokenized, and the value of real estate, goes up 4% a year historically. So those coins, whatever tokens they have on that, is going to stay the same. It's not going to be like stable token, but it's not going to swing around like the rest of it. So it's going to look good.
Right. There you go. So did you see the meeting with Trump and G? How do y'all think? Any opinion? How you think that went?
I didn't follow up on it.
I didn't see any of it.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't hear anything about that.
Yeah, no, he was all over there. He was over in South Korea, Japan, Japanese, the new prime minister.
Yeah, I knew that. I didn't know how the meeting went with President Xi though.
Right. Yeah. But yeah, that from going all over the East, right? And then he wrapped it up with Xi. I'd say, I mean, like I said, it's all in front of the camera, but it didn't look that friendly. I seen Xi meeting Putin, and it was a whole different thing, right? They were very friendly, hugging. Yeah.
A lot of smiles in that one. Yeah, this was not.
Yeah, I wouldn't say. I mean, but there's some concessions, right? They agreed on some things. He lowered some of the tariffs and things like that on them. But yeah, it's just
was South Korea supposed to be? Was that supposed to be middle ground, like a safe space? That's why it wasn't in America, it wasn't in China.
Yeah,
they're meeting in South Korea, and it's like, well, why we got to meet over here?
Yeah,
like okay, neutral ground.
I'm sure. Yeah, well, it's more of it's a power thing, right?
Yeah.
What'd you say, Sal?
No, I was just saying, if you went in there all smiles and shit like that, everyone would know that it was an act. You know what I mean?
Right. Yeah.
I mean, he was pulling a chair out for Netanyahu, so you never know, I guess.
Yeah, you don't. And again, on the back channels, that's where really everything's happening, right in front of the camera. But all I'm saying, you can see it in their face, they weren't very friendly. Xi's just reading off a letter, right? He's just reading off the table what he's got to be, and they just, you can see it. I mean, that's all. And there you go, Carson. That's what he's talking about. It's all distractions we aren't supposed to be looking at. There you go, bro. It's true. It's true. Happy Wise Men Day. Yes, you too, and wise women. Like and subscribe. Thank you, Apex. Smash the like button, everybody. I appreciate it. It helps the channel. All good. But this is more crypto news. What do y'all heard anything this? Drake and Adin Ross sued over deeply fraudulent promotion of crypto casino stake. Do y'all hear that or no?
I know about that one. I know all about that. Yeah. That dude Adin Ross, he puts it all over his videos. Like they've been promoting for many years, especially with Drake, because he has a gambling addiction. So, yeah. So with Stake, it's all over his Instagram videos. You can see it. It'll just be a little transparent. But yeah, they've been promoting it for a long, long time. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, like you said, this is that, right? You said he's just a gambling type thing. This is a specific site. That's what he's getting pseudo. But yeah, I think, like you said, he's got just a gambling thing that he talks about all the time. But they are obviously, huh?
Didn't he drop a token too?
I don't know. Did he?
I know Kim Kardashian did, and then other musicians did too.
Yeah, I can't remember if it was Drake or not. I thought
one
of them did.
Not Drake. Drake didn't do that. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know. But look, this Drake and Adin Ross, it's a class action lawsuit, right? And the actual site is called stake.us. So I didn't pull it up. Let me see if it's in here somewhere. But yeah, I mean, I don't know what else you would think when you're looking at it. Oh, there you go. It looks like gambling to me. I don't know what else.
It is. It's gambling.
But it's like an in-game currency. Just saying, so you all understand, because that's what people do. But stake.us is accused of using a digital gold coins, and that's what this is, right? It's just like whatever they want to call this thing. So these digital gold coins is how they
I've used that site before.
Oh, you have you? So what do you do here? You just log in, and then no wallet, Sal?
No, I think I lost you. Everyone kind of went silent on me.
Oh, did you? Is it me or? Okay.
We're good.
No, I can hear you now. It might just be me.
Okay, all good. It's all about the hotline bling, Ed.
Yeah. Finesse. They all finessing.
Well, they're out there doing their thing. I mean, but this is now they're going to have to deal with it, right? It's definitely a lawsuit that's happening, and the lawsuit alleges that Drake promotions have contributed to stake.us's growth, especially among the young audience, even under 18. Yeah. So it like you were saying, Millie, they have this Drake effect because of his brand recognition, and then he talks about it all the time, right? So that's kind of why they're locking down on it, right? But Drake and Ross are accused of using house money, so they didn't because they got the promotion, right? They are getting a lot of this coin on the house, right? And they're able to just gamble for free while promoting, doing all this kind of stuff. And yes, there you go, man. That'll get you hammered every time. Just be careful.
They've been doing it on Twitch.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, on Twitch, they literally people have been questioning about it because of how they see so much pop up on his how much coins he's been getting every time he plays, and they never see him actually buy it, or they never seen anything that shows that he actually bought coins. It's kind of like they just know he's been getting out of thin air basically. That's what everybody's been saying when he's been recording on Twitch on live stream.
Absolutely. Right.
But a lot of people do that. So that's kind of like most of these influencers are doing when they're promoting these casinos. They're getting it on the house. You know what I mean? They're not paying for the tokens.
Yeah, that's how the whole system works, Al. That's what all the influencers, KOs, they get the early bag, even crypto, right? It's what they do. And then they're out promoting. 1,000%.
They got contract too. Both of them got a contract. Yeah.
Yeah. But again, look, that's why when Ed brings this stuff up, that's what I'm talking about, right? Literally, when you see it on MOBFI, you're going to see it. It's not like there's too much of a difference, but you're going to see the people who are bosses or under bosses. You're going to see them go into the pool, right? But you also see what? You can get maybe 100, 200 spots. Yeah. You're going to see everything that's happening. And that's what I'm saying, why we are, kind of pumped on how this is going to work, right? Because you should be able to get into things early, yeah. But then everybody should be able to see it transparently, and then do your thing, yeah. So we'll see how everything pans out. But look, this is kind of getting back to this is how it works, man. It is all about quantitative, easing or quantitative tightening, yeah. So in 2012, they did easing, it went up 900%, yeah. In QE, end of QE in 2014. Dropped to 21%. right? Those are these are the red years, right? I know everybody talks about the halving and all that, and it all coincides. It's pretty amazing. Again, Satoshi, how we laughed that it's probably the government.
Yeah.
But the election, right? The money printing, the halving, it all goes with these cycles, right? But every one of them, if you follow this is pretty much on the line, right? So again, in 2019, tightening, up 16%. But then the easing started 2020, right? Bam, 1,000%, right? 1,000% gains across the board, going bonkers. And then there we go. And now we're looking at it in December of 2025, the tightening, and we'll see. He got a rocket. I don't know. I'm waiting for a rocket. I didn't see a rocket this year, but I'm looking for one.
I need one. I need a couple rockets.
Go ahead. Did you have something? My bad. Okay. Did anybody see this one? Anybody? I'm just asking before I do it. Anybody see this guy?
I didn't see that one. I've seen a lot of them. I didn't see that one.
It's good. Hey, these little bots right now, they got mirror problems. So check it out. Let me mute myself.
I didn't see that one.
Stop! What are you doing? That's my mirror. What are you doing? Stop! Stop! One of your units just ran into my mirror and is causing damage. I'm a little worried.
I need my refund now.
But look at him. He dressed it up in a little French maid.
Yeah.
That's
Dude, that's even weirder. Like, what?
That is why he ran into the mirror. Like that. He dressed him up. He's like, you ain't gonna do that to me. But look, that's just like I said, it's funny. People are gonna run into some problems of what's going on. But I love looking at these things, man, because things are getting there, right? We're soon, everybody. Y'all ready? Wouldn't you get this? Have you seen the Jetsons? This is Jetson 1. No? Anybody? No? You heard it?
Self-flying.
What is? Oh, okay. Yeah, I would get one.
128. We're gonna be getting it, right? 128 right now. 128,000. But I don't need to do the audio. But yes, this is the whole mob. We're gonna have a whole mob of these things, right? And this is how we're gonna go around events and things. Yeah. But anyways.
Yeah, in China, they have a car, but a truck. I don't know what the hell it was, but like a little helicopter came out from the car.
The back of the car, right?
The way the car drove itself back to the port. It was crazy.
Yeah.
It was cool. I definitely want one, but I'm not paying $100 and something grand for it.
But no, I saw the one you're talking about because it plugs in and it'll charge itself. That's how it charges. It's very cool, right? But these things, look, I mean, helicopters kind of difficult to fly. It doesn't look like these things are too difficult. But I don't understand why they don't got those blades covered. I don't know. It's just if you hit a little branch, it's all over, everybody. It's all over.
Yeah, if you hit anything, it's all over. And if you hit something above me and fall down on me, it's all over too. I'm not.
So are you gonna have to get a pilot's license, because you're gonna have to understand like weather and all that type of stuff when you know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Even too, like air traffic control. I'm sure there are going to be levels because, like in aviation right now, there's a certain area where they obviously can fly, especially you can't go over airports, things like that. Right. So yes, you would absolutely, I would think, need some kind of license, right? But if you're like maybe in your area, I don't know, right? We do all kinds of goofy things in the backwoods here. Yeah.
Well, I live around an airport, and also because realtors use drones a lot, you have to register your drone flight if you're filming a house or something like that. If you're going to go over 100 feet in the air, if you don't register it, you can get fined $22,000 per instance that you fly your drone over 100 feet in the air. So if you take a picture of a house that's from over 100 feet, you're going to get fined $22,000 if you don't register that flight pattern with the FAA.
Right. Okay.
So these things, I mean, if you're anywhere near an airport, you're screwed. You can't go. That's why when you look at this thing, they're not going over 100 feet high. They're zooming around the field about 30, 40 feet off the ground. They're not going over 100 feet. They go over 100 feet. They're there's gonna have ships coming, planes coming in and shooting them down.
Yeah, exactly. Kim says, where are they flying those? I want one. Always said when I was since I was a little kid, I wanted one for forever. Me too. Enough to fly a hover car, and it is. We're finally here, Kim. I'm right there with you because, like I said, we used to think of this stuff back in the 80s, right? Yeah, I want a flying car, and now we're here. But yeah, they these are really called Jetson 1. They are available, and 128,000. But there's other ones too. Like we showed a speeder bike. That's another, and it's a different thing. Only has an engine, little turbine. Crazy. But yeah, these things, it's going to get cool. And I got one that's next that we're going to look at. Cool wheelchair. The coolest just to hang out. I want one now. Right? Funny how you never see them tested in the fun. if you're flying in the thunderstorm, you got problems, Comfy. Yeah? Yeah. You don't want that.
Ray, I was driving. We've got crazy storms going on here today. I saw a dude on a scooter, an e-bike scooter thing in the thunderstorm. I'm like, what are you doing, dude? And he was driving that electric bike down the road. He's gonna hit a pothole and/or some kind of puddle of water, and he's gonna be face planting.
Yeah, I know. It gets wild. I know, it's crazy, Kim. I'm like I said, I'm pumped. But now check this out. This is over, I believe, in Japan. So walk me, a concept autonomous wheelchair with foldable tentacle legs. It can climb stairs, right? Now think of people, like I said, with wheelchairs, they can't get around like that. Yeah. They have to have all these wheelchair accessible places. Watch this thing. You ready? Look at it get up. That's what I'm talking about, right? I'm going to sit down. I don't ever have to stand up anymore. Look at this guy, right? Little octopus legs. Yeah.
I don't have to get up to get snacks, man. I can just sit in the chair.
It is. It'll take you everywhere you want, man. But again, what was that? The Disney movie, WALL-E.
WALL-E. Yeah.
We don't want to be like WALL-E. We don't want to be like WALL-E.
And the by and large ship.
Yes, the by and large. That's right. But look, watch it get down. It's crazy. That's cool, man. It's pretty, unique to even think like that. That
is cool.
Yeah. I wouldn't, That's and there are these ones back here too. There's a whole bunch of little automated vehicles, personal vehicles. So yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
That is, bro. It's crazy.
I moved my leg like that once. I tore my meniscus.
Needed knee surgery. Surgery.
Yeah, it was down.
But wrapping it up, crypto asset managers are making calls saying Solana's the next big run, right? Their ETFs passed, and there's some institutional growth that is happening. And look, they're just getting in right now, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum started having their run. And they're saying that Solana is the next big one, right? We'll see. And that's the game. That's the poker game. But we better get battling. Are we still battling the mob, or they come back? Yeah.
I'm in the Web3 wise guys.
Okay, right on. Let me bring it up. Oh, my bad, Tim.
I got a couple other. We never got to watch these clips, but you were talking. It's good. Investors are great at managing their emotions. Here, you can learn from the best here.
First lesson in business, don't get emotional about stock. Clouds of judgment.
It does.
And then he fires back at him.
You once told me don't get emotional about stock, Gordon. Don't.
Yeah,
that's right.
You can't.
Bud Fox.
That's for FOMO. Maybe that's why FOMO was calling. He was emotional. But let me see here. Let me get my phone here. There it is.
Whoop whoop. Round three.
All right. We got music here. Last time I got stuck down here, man. Hold on.
It's the good life.
The slow jam?
Slow jam. Jazz.
Plug into the cold. That boat shines a light on me. Yeah. Every tap, every pole. Level the boss is the key. No boss above. I boss myself. Crypto pay skills, my digital wealth. Work for the mob. On your time.
I don't know, Ray. I think I need a fireplace and a bearskin rug.
That's what I'm talking about. This is relaxing. Tapping.
This is not battle music.
It's battle music. I can tap nice and smooth here. Oh, Millie, come back.
Trying.
Season 0 to a brand new climb. Earn that rank, reclaim your time. Every block, every boss we share.
No, Ray, I'm gonna stop tapping. I'm gonna start rubbing the button. It's not gonna work that way.
Yeah, well, that's I'm lulling you to sleep. That's it.
Is this your way to try and win?
It is. Hey, people ask because look, this is all I do is very quick. See, very just shaking. That's it.
Yeah.
That's it. Just shaking. I don't even barely move my hand. Really, you battling?
He's doing the freeze contest.
He's doing the freeze.
Heck yeah.
All right, got you, bro.
Yes, no, can't handle.
It's all good. It's all good. We'll get you going.
He's at max bandwidth.
There. You like the rock? You like the rock? Was that what you liked, Tim?
Yeah, this one's pretty good.
You like the rock?
Yeah.
Step into the circle, the mob.
Is this not the? Let's see. Is that the last round?
Yep. We got time for one more battle.
One more.
No walls to link, no names to show.
Who's gonna start it up?
Anonymous legends let the challenge grow. 100 just for stepping inside. 1,000 more if you ride this ride. No risk, no cost, it's all game. MOBFI challenge, remember the name. 21 days, the MOBFI way. Stacking that crypto, you join, we pay no ID, no
Here we go, 30
stress,
seconds.
no fear, the MOBFI future. Yeah, the time is here. Other games want your keys and more. MOBFI opens a brand
Hey, Heine.
new
How you doing, Heine? Good to see you. I'm going back through everybody saying hi. Joanne, good to see you. Evelyn, hola. Good to see you, Evelyn. Thank you.
All right, 10 seconds.
No cash down, just take your shot. MOBFI's the game that rewrote the plot. 21 days, the MOBFI way. Stacking that crypto, you join, we pay no ID, no strings, no stress, no fear. The MOBFI future, yeah, the time is here.
See, you can. I did it. I'm doing it all over packs, man. Oh, you guys are crazy. You guys are ridiculous.
No secrets to tell. The mob's got your back and we do it well.
I'm in third, though. Oh, that's my friend's leaderboard. Never mind.
MOBFI challenge all across the land. 21 days, the MOBFI way. Stacking that crypto, you join, we pay no ID, no strings, no stress, no fear. The MOBFI future, let's make it clear.
Let's go, Buffy B. Just past me. Ridiculous. And then Snoopy, you're ridiculous too, bro. You make me want to quit. All right, I'm gonna get back another one. Let's see. I don't think. Hold on.
That was good.
You like that kind of stuff, don't you, Tim?
You got to keep the pace up.
You need 140 beats per second. Is that what you need?
Yeah.
I came from the dust, now I'm here for the gold. 50 mil live and the vault's not cold. Timeline's burning, you can feel that heat. Mob just dropped and we run these streets. Jobs in motion, bolts in demand. You want that bag, better use both hands. This ain't no test, it's live, it's real.
I am using both hands.
We came to deal. No cap, no bots, no borrow pump. Just squads, just rage, just digital jump. I don't need hype, I need that screen. Where the ticker flips to all green. Game time, bag up, mob just launched. Work that feed, every scroll's a punch. 15 mil on chain, no delay. Only bolts unlock the pay. Battle hard job, out farm that flame. Click for clout, now we play for gain. This ain't pretend, this is code and speed. Bag season now, mob runs the feed.
I'll miss the last round and go get the job ready.
Round 5 starting in 1 second. We'll get that job. Big job. Ooh, 10 Billy. This is pretty close to like house music.
Yeah.
This ain't a maybe, it's built to move. From tap to earn to the power groove. No wallet, no sweat, the game still pays. Just show up, click in, mob your way. We don't farm fluff, we forge your heat. Every task drops value at your feet. No middle hands, just proof of grind. Every click's a trade.
30 seconds, don't give up.
This is culture coded, time to flex. No more lurking, it's time to collect. I don't post for likes, I mint my pull. MOBFI launch hot and the tanks are full. Game time, bag up, mob just launch. Work that feed, every scroll's a punch. 15 mil on chain, no delay. Only bolts unlock the pay. Battle hard job, out farm that flame. Click for clout, now we play for gain. This ain't pretend, this is code and speed. Back season now, mob runs the feed.
There it is.
Did it?
Let's see how we did.
How many people? Oh, there's 70.
So there was 17 in the battle. So Dan, Lord Paxman, My Crypto Quest, Mighty, Robin, Outcash, Max M2, Easy Ed, Crypto Buffy B, and Susie QB. Nice. Oh, that was the second last. So Dan, M-Man, Lord Paxman, Snoopy, Susie Q, Cardiac Chris, Request, Annie P, and Spidey.
Pay now. Job's up.
Job. Ooh, there it is. What was that? 5 million?
Getting back to work.
Work.
Creative managing emotions.
You need to relax for job. Relax.
Not too much. You got to get in there, otherwise you'll miss out.
There you go. What? Oh. It's all about control. They're trying to shake you out, everybody. Don't let them shake you out.
Yep, we gotta stay strong, you know.
That's right, Billy. Stay strong.
Get your mind correct. I mean, if you know the vision, if you know what's going to happen in the future, you should be just fine.
What do you say? Go ahead.
Go
What you say?
Oh no, I was just saying that, like, you know, me knowing the future, you know, it's easy to keep my mind, you know, forward. You know, that's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah. Well, we do know the future, like you said. I mean, that's why we go over this stuff every day. All this news, man. There's too much that's rotating into here for it not to be. I mean, you can, you know, it's ridiculous to not think that this is all going to move upward. Yeah. It's just like Sal was saying. I mean, it is. It's all manipulation. It's crazy. But I like my stuff. Me and Tim, we got I know he likes RWAs and the real world assets. I like more of the infrastructure stuff and, you know, blockchain technology and things like that. But we'll see. I like memes too, though.
I like the, you know, like, yeah.
Go ahead, go, Billy.
Oh yeah, I was talking about DeFi. You know, in terms of, you know, become like just being your own bank is just amazing enough. So I think
it is.
Yeah, that's what I like the most. You know, that really intrigues me.
Yeah. Jobs cleared. Collect your payment. Ooh.
That was too fast, Ray.
I know. I need to boost it up. I keep saying that, but I mean, They're crushing it now. And that's great, everybody. Appreciate it.
Snoopy's using Ron Burgundy.
I'm in a glass case of emotion.
And then when emotions run high, a good drink is always good.
A drink, yeah.
Thursday.
Just one glass. Don't be a drunkard.
Control. It's all about control.
That's right. It is control. But it is. It's crazy out there.
Sir Francis, great show.
Hey,
what's up, Millie?
Okay, check my third post. Look at that one.
There he is.
What?
Oh, right down. Right there. One. Y'all level up before it's too late. That's right.
No. Yeah, keep going up. Keep going up.
You got a couple posts. There you go.
MOBFI? This one?
Best part of the show? It's probably at the top.
You spamming the post now?
Yeah, that's it.
Well, maybe it's your third one.
Right. I was probably loaded. Yeah, it's gonna load.
Yeah, that's good. Everybody, see? That's what's awesome about. There you go.
There he is.
He-Man.
Power of Grayskull.
No, not that one. No.
Oh, you got too many, Millie.
Yeah, you're spamming the post.
I got another one.
This
guy?
No, He-Man's amazing. I grew up on that.
Be the finesser.
Read it.
Be the finesser, not the finesse. That's right. I like it.
Yes.
That's nice. It is. You got it. Yes. You gotta tell him.
I put in one post to get to claim, and you rocking out 4 different ones with memes and everything.
Yeah, he's got me. I know. Well, that's how the young people do it, man. They can cross through. This is kind of their. This is how they. Go ahead, bro.
Adam, ready.
Yeah. All good, but I'm going to give it a couple minutes. I'm going to hop over in Spaces, so we'll wrap it up. But I'll pop over there after this a little bit. Just need a little station identification break, yeah. And then I'll hop over there. Anything before we go?
Ray, I'm just going to do this one more time, and this is not financial advice, but
they're selling, Mortimer. Well, that's ridiculous.
That's ridiculous.
That's a classic, man. I love.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And then anything from you, Millie? We got going before we head out?
Nah, I'm going to just say thank y'all for having me here. It's been a pleasure. I'm glad to see y'all. It's been a great experience be on the show with y'all. Hopefully I can join them other ones. So, I'm just thank y'all for your time.
100%, bro. Appreciate you coming on. Everybody too. Sal, Tim. Like I said, I appreciate you spending time. I know it takes effort. Everybody watching too takes effort. So thank you. And we'll see you around Spaces. Yeah. And thanks. It's good time. So if you haven't liked the button, hit the like button. Yeah. Hit it. All good. Later. Have a good one.
Cheers.
Ooh, it's the good life. We move. Plug into the gold, the boat shines a light on me. Oh man. Every dab, every post, level the balls is the key. No balls above, I boss myself. Crypto base, skills my digital wealth. Work for the mob, on your time, there's a law. From gigs to gold, we ride, we score. Work for life, you can't ignore. You ain't the boss of me, I work digitally. Now my family work